Hello, and welcome to the instructional for utilizing the Tax Autofill feature within the Greater Baton Rouge Association of Realtors Paragon MLS. Tax Autofill is an integration with our tax service through Paragon to help you create listings and import accurate data from the Paris assessor's records. To utilize Tax Autofill, simply start your listing like normal by going to Listings at the top of Paragon and adding the listing class of your choice. When you reach the listing input screen, choose the Tax Autofill option on the top toolbar and click on the drop-down item. This will bring you to a short search screen. This does require that you input the parish in question and then either choosing the tax ID, address, or owner's name fields. Once you put in the information that you have, click on Search on the top right, and this will bring you the results it finds from CRS data. Check the box to the left of the record that you want to autofill from, and then choose the autofill button at the top of the screen. This will give you a menu with all of the options that can be autofilled from CRS data. If you want to exclude any of these items, you can simply uncheck them from the list. Otherwise, you just click Save on the top right of this window. This will then import the information into your listing, which you can then continue inputting as normal.